Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Binance Authenticator Code. To get a Binance Authenticator Code used for two-factor authentication, you will need to use Google Authenticator or SMS authentication, depending on the method you have enabled for your Binance account. If you have set up Google Authenticator on your Binance account, follow these steps. Open Google Authenticator in your mobile device, and you can find a 6-digit code there. In the Google Authenticator app, you should see a list of accounts that are linked to the application. Look for the Binance account in the list. You will see a 6-digit associated code with Binance, which refreshes every 30 seconds. When you log into your Binance account to perform a sensitive action like withdrawing funds or changing settings, Binance will prompt you to enter a 6-digit code from the Authenticator application. Enter the 6-digit code from Authenticator on the Binance page and you will be able to complete the action. If you lose your phone with Google Authenticator, use the recovery key you saved during the setup to regain the access, or you can contact Binance support for help. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.